A new roof is a good idea for many reasons. When it comes to your home, the top is one of the most critical components. It protects you from the elements and keeps your family safe and dry. When it comes to replacing your roof, timing is everything. Depending on the type of roof you have, the climate in your area, and the condition of your existing roof, the best time to replace your roof will vary. A new roof can provide many benefits for a home or business owner. It can increase the value of your property, make your home more energy efficient, and protect your family or employees from the elements. Considering a new installation, you should keep a few things in mind. The type of roof you choose will affect the cost, durability, and energy efficiency. You will also want to consider the climate in your area when selecting a roofing material. A new roof is a significant investment but can benefit your home or business. Energy-efficient roofs can save you money on energy bills, and ceilings designed for extreme weather conditions can protect your family or employees from the elements. With proper maintenance, a new roof can last for decades and add value to your property.